modular and prefab housing industry, offering efficient, high-quality solutions for modern living. However, not all modular structures are created equal, and buyers must carefully evaluate key factors such as build quality, energy efficiency, and long-term durability. The increasing interest in compact, adaptable homes is driving innovation, but distinguishing true modular homes from basic prefabricated units remains essential. Without proper research, homeowners may end up with structures that do not meet the necessary building codes or long-term performance expectations. A critical element in assessing modular homes is the quality of materials and construction standards. The best modular structures are built under controlled factory conditions, ensuring precision and consistency. Superior insulation, structural integrity, and moisture control are key indicators of a well-constructed unit. Unlike traditional site-built homes, modular construction eliminates weather-related issues, preventing mold growth and material degradation. Potential buyers should seek manufacturers that emphasize rigorous quality control and adherence to local building codes, as this determines the longevity and livability of the home. Energy efficiency and smart integration have become defining factors in modern modular housing. Advanced insulation, airtight construction, and high-performance ventilation systems reduce energy consumption while maintaining optimal indoor air quality. Homes equipped with integrated energy solutions such as solar power and smart climate control systems further enhance sustainability. However, not all prefab homes incorporate these features effectively, making it crucial for buyers to assess how energy efficient the unit truly is beyond just marketing claims. Flexibility in design and customization is another advantage of modular construction, allowing homeowners to tailor their space according to specific needs. Whether for residential, commercial, or mixed-use purposes, a well-designed modular home should offer both structural adaptability and functional efficiency. True modular construction goes beyond aesthetics. It ensures that the home remains highly efficient, easy to modify, and adaptable to different environments. Buyers should carefully examine whether the home can be reconfigured, expanded, or transported without compromising its durability. Equally important is the reputation and reliability of the manufacturer. The modular industry has seen companies rise and fall, with some entering the market only to disappear after a few years. A proven track record, customer testimonials, and factory transparency are key indicators of a trustworthy manufacturer. Visiting a factory, reviewing real projects rather than renderings, and understanding warranty policies can help potential buyers avoid unreliable providers. Longevity in the industry suggests that the company is capable of producing high-quality homes that stand the test of time. Finally, the distinction between modular and prefabricated housing needs to be clearly understood. A true modular home is built to the same or higher standards as traditional site-built homes, meeting all residential codes and long-term performance expectations. Some companies market prefabricated units as modular without meeting these standards, misleading consumers about durability and legal compliance. Buyers must ensure they are investing in a fully code-compliant modular home rather than a temporary or lower-standard prefabricated structure. The modular home industry presents significant advantages for those seeking an efficient and sustainable living solution, but careful research and discernment are necessary to make an informed investment. The promise of modular construction is not just about speed or affordability, it's about delivering a home that meets high-quality standards, maintains long-term value, and adapts to modern living needs.